What's up guys, Matt here with Fix Anything Save Money. Today we're going to be doing another tool walkthrough of the Bostitch 16 gauge finish nailer. So you can see here, this nailer accepts anything from 1 inch to 2.5 inch nails. And this nail gun, you would primarily use this for larger things you're fastening, like you could use it for crown molding or pretty much any type of like larger baseboards. Anything where you're not worried about the wood splintering is what you would use this for. So we'll just do a quick tool walkthrough of this. That's where your air hose goes into. And then to load nails, you pull this back and that locks, and then it gives you access to this insert here to put the nails into. So you put the thicker end of the nail with the ribbed end out towards the gun. This goes in like that. And then when you go to release this, this is going to shoot out pretty quickly, so just make sure your fingers aren't in the way. So press this lever down, loads your nails. And then when you're going to fire this, there's a safety on this, so you want to push down and then pull the trigger. If you just have it sitting there, it's not going to fire. So you need to push down, pull the trigger. And then this adjusts the depth of nail, so you can increase or decrease the pressure in the gun, and that'll drive your nail either deeper, or so if you're driving it too deep, you would decrease it. Or if you're not driving it deep enough, you could increase it. And there you guys have it, the Bostitch 16 gauge finish nailer. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.